If you accidentally deleted an app on your iPhone, don't worry. Apple keeps a full history of every app you've ever downloaded, even free ones. Here's how to find and reinstall deleted apps in seconds. First, open the App Store on your home screen. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap Apps. On older iOS versions, this may say Purchased. Next, tap Not on this iPhone. This shows a full list of apps you previously downloaded but are currently deleted. To reinstall an app, simply tap the cloud icon with the downward arrow next to it. That's it. The app will download again. If you can't find the app, sometimes the app isn't deleted, it's just hidden. Here's how to check. Swipe down on your home screen and use Spotlight Search. Type the app name. If it appears, it's still installed. You can also swipe left to open the app library. Search for the app there and drag it back to your home screen. If system apps are missing. If apps like Safari or Mail are gone, they might be restricted. Go to Settings. Tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps and Features, then make sure they're enabled. You can see here Apple's built-in apps list. If the Health app toggles to white, it means it's hidden on your device. Important things to know. You cannot reinstall an app if the developer removed it from the App Store. Also, reinstalling an app does not always restore your old data unless it was backed up to iCloud or the app uses cloud syncing. That's how you find deleted apps on your iPhone quickly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.